Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and use OBS with Twitch. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead into twitch.tv. Click on the first link and make sure that you are logged into the account that you want to go ahead and stream from. Second thing, go ahead and download your OBS just like that. And once you've downloaded it, go ahead and install it. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your OBS and into your Twitch, go ahead on the top right hand corner, click on create a dashboard, and on settings, go ahead and click on stream. Finally, once you've done that, there's going to be a tab called stream key and preferences with primary stream key on the top. All you need to do is simply go ahead and copy this code right over here. I'm not going to show it. Make sure that you are keeping it very private. With this code, anyone can stream on your stream account, right? So after you've copied that, all you need to do is go ahead and open OBS or any software you're using. In this particular case, OBS. Click on settings right over here, click on stream, and go ahead and click on services to Twitch, and then go ahead and enter your stream key right over here. Once you do that, you can simply go ahead and click on apply, or even if you couldn't find your settings on your Twitch, you could just click on get stream key and it will go ahead and open that link. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.